Check engine light blinking. Rough idling or jerky acceleration. If your scan tool shows P0300, you're dealing with a common but tricky issue, random or multiple cylinder misfires. In this video, we'll walk you through what causes it, how to diagnose it, and what you can do to fix it, step by step. DTC P0300 means the engine is misfiring randomly across multiple cylinders. This isn't limited to just one cylinder, it's happening across the board, which makes diagnosing it a bit more complicated. Misfires like this affect performance, fuel economy, and even your catalytic converter if ignored. Symptoms to watch for: rough idle or vibration, flashing or solid check engine light, loss of power, hesitation or stalling during acceleration, strong smell of fuel or exhaust. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't keep driving. It could cause more serious engine damage. Here are the most common culprits behind P0300. Faulty spark plugs or worn ignition coils. Vacuum leaks or intake manifold leaks. Fuel delivery issues, like a bad fuel pump or clogged injectors. Low fuel pressure. Crankshaft or camshaft position sensor faults. Timing issues. Exhaust restrictions or back pressure problems. Here's how to track it down. Check for any other codes stored alongside P0300, they can help pinpoint the exact cylinder. Use a scan tool to read misfire counts by cylinder, mode 6 if available. Inspect and replace worn spark plugs and coils, swap coils between cylinders to see if the misfire moves. Use a fuel pressure gauge to check pump output. Perform a vacuum leak check, even a small hose crack can cause major issues. P0300 might seem intimidating, but with a systematic approach, you can solve it without guessing. Whether it's ignition, fuel, or air, every misfire has a root cause. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real-world DTC solutions. Got a code bugging you? Let us know in the comments.